Welcome to day 10 of content repurposing tutorials, where I'm giving you time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make Instagram posts from screenshots. The first thing we're going to do is head right on over to Instagram. Once we're in Instagram, go ahead and press that plus button. And what I want you to do is go to recent and tap down. Now I want you to scroll and you should see screenshots. This will help us just be in the area where they actually are. Once we tap there, go ahead and find you a picture that you want to utilize. So I've picked this picture here because it's referencing this very tutorial series that I'm doing. And I'm going to resize by pinching. You can also press this button right here, but I think that sometimes you want to modify it the way that you want to. So I'm just going to pinch and just zoom in to where it looks good on a few of the pages right here. So great. I'm only going to use one picture for right now, or one particular screenshot, and I can just press next and next again, and I can put my caption and everything and just post it. Now that is how you can do one screenshot for Instagram. If you wanted to do a series of them, there could be a few issues you can run into, and let's go through those right now. So I'm just going to press back. If I wanted to do more than one screenshot, one of the issues that can come into play is that every screenshot can be a different size. So for example, I can press this button right here, which will allow me to choose more than one photo, but when I click somewhere else, I cannot just pinch to resize it because it's based off of that first picture. So that is why, if they're not the exact same size, having multiple screenshots in one post might not work. But let me take you on over to Canva to where I can show you how you can do that. Now we're here inside of Canva, and what we're going to want to do is press this plus sign right here, and we are going to make an Instagram post or portrait. So you can do 1080 by 1080 or 1080 by 1350. Either way is perfectly fine. I'm going to pick 1080 by 1080. I'm going to press this plus button right here, and I'm going to press this down arrow and go to screenshot so we know exactly where we want to pull from. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find some testimonials that I can post. They were all different sizes. So I press this one here, and I'm going to go add to page. Once it's added to the page, this is where I can resize it by pulling on the other sides. I can even crop since I had the little reply there. Okay, and so I'll get rid of the little bit of the one. Okay, great. Now this is done, and I can slide over to create a new page and add my next testimonial. Add to page. Great. And let's just add one more. Plus sign. Scroll down. Let's get this one here. Add to page. And we just resize for formatting. Okay, can put this up here for the reply. Now I have 3 pages of testimonials that are going to be in a more suitable size for Instagram. So what I can do is press this down arrow here, and if you've been with me in previous videos, you know that this will download all 3 graphics inside of my camera roll. But if you just wanted to export 1 or 2, you can press this up arrow inside of the box, press download, and then you can press this arrow here with a select pages, and you can uncheck this one, which will uncheck them, and you can click the pages that you want to export and press done and download from there. But I already know I want all of them, so I'm just going to press this down arrow right here, and it's going to save it to my Instagram. And then we can come out of Canva, back into Instagram, and press the plus button, and we see our first one here, but I'm going to click this one first, press that button where we can add multiple images, and I'm going to press the other 2, press next, and now we have those 3 screenshot graphics. This is a great way to continue to share the things that you curate inside of your phone. I know a lot of us take screenshots as little notes that we can take for something we want to reference in the future or share with our audience. Utilizing softwares like Canva is a great way for us to format nicely, or maybe even change the background and add some colors to be able to share those screenshots instead of just sitting dormant inside of our phones. I want you to comment below with how many screenshots you have saved in your phone. I'll tell you how many I have. 3,220. What are you going to do with all of your screenshots? Are you going to use this method to be able to post it on Instagram and other social channels? I'd love for you to let me know in the comments. Come on back tomorrow for day 11, where I'm going to show you how to make a carousel inside of Canva.